Jiva Goswami goes on, he says, the imitation of Krishna Lila is described in 9 verses beginning in 14 to 23 of the chapter 30. Remaining situated in their own sthai rati, that's what I said, Madhurya Rati, the gopis act, quote, the gopis act like Putana, because one gopi becomes Putana. Another gopi says, get away from here, you witch, and all like this. But they do not take on her contrary mentality. In other words, contrary mentality means pratikul bhav. Pratikul. When Rupa Goswami defines Shuddha Bhakti, he says it must be anukulya. Anukulya man. The mind must be favorable, anukulya. So the gopis are becoming Putana. And they're acting like Putana. But they don't take on the mentality, I want to kill you, I want to finish you, I don't want to destroy you. That's the bhav, that's the mentality. They don't take on that. They just, but it's just an act. They take on the externals, the posture, the voice, and but not the mentality. So he makes a very nice point. He says they don't take on her contrary mentality. They remain anukulya. I still, they're not, I don't want to murder Krishna. I don't want to eliminate Krishna. I want to love him and serve him. I'm a gopi. One gopi acted like Krishna and someone that means that someone, when one gopi acted as Krishna and one gopi acts as Putana, that means that the gopi who becomes Krishna, she only assumes the mood. It's all about the bhav. But she did not become Krishna. And then drinking milk from her breast, because Putana came to offer a poisonous breast to Krishna, Krishna drank. Drinking her milk from the breast, quote unquote, is only acting, since acting is being discussed. One gopi took the role of a cart, placing her hands and feet on the ground and raising her body up and all these things. So this is a nice point that he makes about the bhav.